Wishclusive Rock Alternative Performance of the Year. Blaster and the Celestial Clowns. Boomerang. Kappa Joe. Nico. Ilan. Mahal. Kwan. Pintura. Channing. SSS. Stock Song.
And the Wishclusive Rock Alternative Performance of the Year award goes to Cup of Joe!
Wow! What's up, Wishers? Maraming salamat po, Wish, for this recognition. Gusto ko namin pasalamatan lahat ng team behind Multo. Of course, our producer, Mr. Shadiel Chan, Jovel Rivera, ang aming mastering engineer, Sir Jan Fuertes, our band, Kuya Abner, Kuya Jabez, Cairo, and sa buong Stardust team. We're currently on tour, kaya excited kaming multuhin pa kayong lahat. Of course, yung co-writer po ni Rafa sa Multo, si Kuya Red Ridao. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Sana hindi pa rin kayo makalaya this year. Joas, we love you!
Congratulations, Cup of Joe. They will receive a cash prize
for Wishclusive Collaboration of the Year.
Wishclusive Collaboration of the Year. James Reid and TJ Monterde. Pahinga. Janine Berdin, Ilest Morena, and Bannon. Tayo lang may alam. Kian Cipriano and Ice Segura. Feels like it's the end of the line. Looney featuring Frizzle and May Nanalo Na. Shirebound featuring Jan Roberts. Ahintulog.
And the Wishclusive Collaboration of the Year award goes to... Who do you think it is? James Reid and DJ Monterde! With Pahinga!
Wow. Of course, first of all, half of this award belongs to TJ. Thank you so much for being a part of this song. It would not have been the same without you, so thank you so much. Next, I want to thank the inspiration behind this song and literally all the music I make. I love you, baby. Of course, thank you to Brian Lotho. I want to say thank you to Jason Marvin for helping make this song. And because I'm in a room with so many songwriters today, I want to leave everyone with a quote that I read just earlier today. Something to think about. We write to taste life twice. Thank you so much, Wish.
Congratulations, James Reed and
of Breaking Boundaries, TJ Montero.
the KDR icon of Breaking Boundaries will receive a KDR trophy and 100,000 pesos. To hand out the award, we have Wish General Manager, Mr. J. Eusebio. Wishers, we present to you our inaugural KDR icon of Breaking Boundaries, TJ Monterde.
Wow! Grabe to! Bago ako magsalita kung ano man yung about sa award ng Wish na to, gusto ko tawagin si KZ on stage because I share. Hindi ka mabubuo lahat ng show sa'yo hindi dahil sa'yo at kung hindi kita kasama. Halika na dito. Wala na, baby girl na ulit. Dahil gusto na mag-thank you sa Wish Music Awards. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect itong award na to na bibigay sa amin. Kasi parang kakaiba. Pero I super appreciate na binigyan nyo ng honor yung ginawa naming world tour ni KZ for the past year. Lord, maraming salamat po sa opportunity na to. Salamat po sa pa-experience at sa pahiram sa amin ng opportunity to be able to share our music all over the world. Sobrang happy ko lang. Mga Between, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat! Cornerstone Entertainment, Ate Cynthia, maraming salamat sa pag-lead sa team natin all throughout those 40 shows all around the world. Salamat ko. Banda ko, hindi ko mapapasalamatan lahat ng mga banda ko, marami sa buong team namin. Of course, ang aming director, Direk John Prats, share tayo sa award na to. Pamilya ko na nasa Mindanao, lahat ng mga nanood ng Sarili Nating Mundo World Tour last year. Sana makita rin namin kayo sa tour namin this year. In between, kami ni KZ naman to this time. That's gonna be next month na, nag-promote pa. Next month na, Feb 6, 7, 8, 9 dito sa Araneta Coliseum. And of course, I share this award with my one and only palagi, KZ. Salamat po. Hindi alam paano. Gusto mo magsalita ng konti lang? Ayaw mo? O sige, ayaw na raw. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Wish Music Awards, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa award na to.
Congratulations to TJ Montente for being the first KDR icon of Breaking Boundaries. Our next award recognizes
For Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year.
Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year. Aura, for a Space. Bitin, Over October. Black and White, Dilaw. Kalimutan Ka, Skasta Clay. Multo, Kapityo.
And the Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year is
Multo Cappuccino!
Hello po. Good evening. Una-una, thank you po sa mga jowas. Thank you dahil since day one nandyan kayo to support us. And di namin akalain na abot sa ganito yung multo. So we're very thankful sa inyo And sa lahat ng mga tumulong sa amin, sa team namin, syempre thank you. Special shoutout ulit sa kuya ko na kasama ko nagsulat ng multo, Kuya Red, what's up? And ayun, thank you dahil minulto kayong lahat. Pagpatuloy nyo lang, thank you po.
Love you, Four of Spades!
Congratulations, Cup of Joe. They will receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos, while
The showcases pure emotion, ballad music at its finest.
Here are the nominees for Wish Ballad Song of the Year.
Wish Ballad Song of the Year. Ako na lang, The Juans. Darating din, DJ Monterde. For You, Kai Montinola. Nagmamahal ang ako, KZ Tandino. With You, Lola Amor.
And the Wish Ballad Song of the Year is...
Darating din, DJ Montana!
Maraming salamat. Sa tamang panahon, darating din yun. Once again, thank you Lord for this award. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon. I share this award with my whole band na gumawa ng song na to, na tinulungan ako. Everybody Wish Music Awards, Cornerstone Entertainment, mga Between, maraming salamat. My co-artists, thank you sa iyo lahat. KZ, of course, maraming salamat for inspiring me always. Maraming salamat sa award na to, Wish Music Awards. Thank you so much.
congratulations, DJ Monterde. She will receive a cash prize worth 25,000.
Whose collective creativity and body of work made them a standout act in the OPM scene.
Here are the nominees for Wish Group of the Year.
Wish Group of the Year. Beanie. Kappa Joe. Four of Spades. Lola Amor. SB19.
And the Wish Group of the Year is...
Cup of Joe!
Wow! Thank you so much po, Wish. Hindi po kami nakapag-ready ng speech, dalawa lang. So in-expect namin yung kanina. Hindi po talaga namin ito in-expect. Gusto po ulit namin pasalamatan ng aming fans or jowas. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Gusto po namin i-congratulate lahat po ng aming fellow OPM artists. You inspire us so much. Maraming salamat po sa pag-raise ng bandera ng OPM. Proud na proud po kami sa nagawa natin last year. Hopefully this year mas maraming heights pa po yung magawa natin. And ayun po, gusto ko lang po ulit sabihin yung message na gusto namin iparating. If you're also one of those who had to sacrifice a lot to reach their dreams, if you're also one of those na high schoolers lang noon na sobrang taas ng pangarap, if you're also one of those who feel like you don't belong sa norms ng society, if you're also one of those na feel nyo hindi nyo kayang gawin dahil part kayo ng queer community, sana po ay you were able to see a glimpse of your faces in ours. And maraming salamat po sa recognition na to. Mabuhay ang OPM. Love you.
Congratulations, Cup of Joe. They will receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos, while their beneficiaries.
Artist of the Year.
Wish Artist of the Year. Dianella. Flo G. Looney. Mackie. TJ Monterde.
And the Wish Artist of the Year is
TJ Monterde.
Sa tamang panahon, darating din yan! Woo! Thank you po sa award na to. Grabe to, sobrang bonus na to. Again, gusto kong pasalamatan lahat ng mga minention ko kanina. Pamilya ko, Cornerstone Entertainment, lahat ng mga kabanda ko, Direk Prati, kasama namin sa tour, mga between, aming dalawang fur baby, si Fitz at si Chito, nanonood sila ngayon sa bahay. Of course, KZ, I love you so much. Hanggang sa huli palagi. Gusto ko rin i-offer itong award na to. Grabe, sobra na to. Wish Artist of the Year. Gusto ko rin i-offer ang award na to sa lahat ng mga young songwriters na nangangarap. Lalo na lahat ng mga galing sa probinsya tulad ko. Para sa iyo itong award na to, kayang-kayang maabot pag nasa puso mo yan. Pag para sa iyo, it has your name on it. Para sa iyo talaga yan. At sobrang proud ako sa OPMC ngayon. Sobrang happy ako para sa ating lahat, co-nominees ko, lahat ng mga idol ko. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations sa atin. Cup of Joe, si Sir Looney, Four of Spades, lahat po. I just wanna share this award with all of you kasi sobrang saya natin. It's a beautiful time for OPM and ika nga, sabi nga nila, a rising tide lifts all boats. Mabuhay ang OPM!
Congratulations, DJ Monterde. You will receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos,